Hello and welcome to the first in the series of presentations on income generating opportunities that we are exploring for Proto Village. First off, it's dairy. Since Proto Village is in a semi-arid region, dairy presents itself as the best income generating opportunity, has guaranteed market, good price and doesn't put excessive pressure on the natural resources. The goal is to promote dairy entrepreneurship amongst the villagers and to get them to own at least 2 animals per family. Eventually, once the milk volume reaches a certain level per day, we'll produce value-added products like ghee, curd, etc. Dung is also a great resource. It can produce biogas to run stoves in the kitchen and also street lights. It can also trigger commercial production of 100% organic manure. Second, it's agriculture. Agriculture in Proto Village is rain-fed, so we'll be very selective in the choice of vegetables to grow. The vegetables grown both in the field and in the kitchen gardens will essentially contribute to a healthy diet and food security in the village. While the surplus could always be sold in the markets outside the village, a beautiful opportunity is in utilizing the limited resources to create a healthy indigenous seed bank, which can be an enterprise on its own. Fodder will be extensively grown to support dairy in the cluster, and the planned surplus will be sold in the markets outside the village. Block plantations across 60 to 100 acres for timber will be an additional source of money for the village. In the non-agricultural category, we have some really cool ideas. About 100 villagers will be trained in phases to produce hand-woven cotton garments. Well, if you think that's not exciting enough, imagine women self-help groups producing excellent eco-friendly alternatives for various consumables including cosmetics, detergents, etc. for urban markets. Imagine the masons in the village cluster forming an enterprise to build eco-friendly and economical shelters and toilets. And imagine villagers producing agricultural and other tools and implements appropriate for rural markets in small scale using an innovative fabrication facility. The produce from the dairy, agriculture and non-agricultural enterprises set up by the villagers will be marketed to the end consumers, businesses in rural and the urban markets. The goals of marketing would be to promote consumption within a 100-kilometer radius from the place of production and to shorten the supply chains by minimizing the intermediaries. This ensures a better selling price for the producers and a better buying price for the end consumers, leading to significant income generation in the village. Going by the no donation principle of Proto Village initiative, we'll encourage the rural entrepreneurs to contribute a small portion of their revenues to the Common Resource Fund. This fund will then be used to build various facilities of common utility like schools, hospital, public assembly areas, gym, libraries, etc. A lot of what you just saw may appear as an oversimplification of things that are easier said than done. But after a year in the village and ready to rock and roll, we believe it wouldn't be half as exciting if it were easier. It's your perspectives that put these ideas out of the realm of easy or difficult and into the zone of possibility. So please share your ideas and let's co-create the Proto Village.